All right, let's walk through how to create customized team training from a GoSkills template course. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're in the creator mode. Go click on creator over on the side, and you'll see that your view changes. Once you're in the creator mode, you can click on template gallery to view the list of available template courses, and then just find the template that you want to use. You can either find the template by scrolling through the list of available templates, or at the top you can use the search bar to search for something specific that you want, or below that you can click on one of the filters to filter by available topics. So if we click on human resources, we see that we have 7 template courses here that fall within that category. The one I'm going to click on is the HR policy, the company human resources policy. You can see this is a make it your own course, and that means it has most of the content, but there will be spots where you should customize or personalize it for your organization. So if we click on company human resources policy, I have this command available that says use template. So let's click on that. And what that does is it creates a new course in edit mode, and it'll be saved as a draft until it's published. Up at the top you can see that it is a draft. Like we mentioned, this is a make it your own course. So this means that it will have some elements or blocks where we need to fill in our own company details. So right there in red, the company name, you're expected to fill in your company name there. You can highlight it and delete it, edit it. We're just going to type in ABC Company Limited. That's our sample company in this case, but that's what you would do. And it's just as easy to edit the name of the course as well. Go up, click on the field, and type in whatever you like. And now just go through the rest of the remaining lessons and see if there are any other necessary edits to make. When you click on lessons, you'll see the full list of lessons here. You can go through each one, see if there's anything that you want to change. And let's say, for example, down below there's a block that we want to remove. We don't want this block on communication, and that's fine. When you hover over a block, you'll see it's outlined in blue, and you'll get the menu over on the right. You can hit delete to get rid of that block. You'll get a confirmation message. Do you want to delete this block? Yes, we do. And now it's gone. So make any edits you like. Make sure that everything is customized for your company. Let's look at the vacation leave policy, another lesson. You can see there's nothing here because it needs to be customized with your own information. Well, we can either copy and paste from another document, put it right in there, or maybe we have an image that we want to put in here. And that's easy enough to add as well. We can either add it below or above this spot. We can add an image using the add content block command. Select image and then find it on your hard drive. It's a good idea to preview everything that's here to see what the lesson will look like. You can do that by clicking preview at the top. And if it looks good, close preview. Once you're satisfied, go back to the beginning of the course. Make sure everything is included, everything is in place. You can add a number of items like a test, quizzes throughout the course. But when you're happy, click publish. You can publish the course immediately, make it available in the training library, or you can publish the course and not make it available yet. You can choose a later date. It's always a good idea to preview the entire course before publishing to see how it flows. You can click on the play button at the top. This will show you how the learner will experience the course as they go through each lesson. But once you're happy with your preview, click Close Preview. Go back to the beginning of the course, hit Publish, make it available, and now your course is live.